Hi, I'm Bonnie Barker with BonnieBCrochet.com, and I have a brand new crochet along coming to you at the end of February. Okay, this one is called the Celtic Cross Cable Throw, and I'll put a picture right there so that you can see. And this particular pattern appears in the December version of the Crochet World magazine. It's available from Annie's or Crochet World as a PDF download for those of you who don't get this in your area or who maybe aren't subscribers to the magazine for a very low price. You can check that out with the link that I'm going to provide in the description below. You can also just buy the pattern itself, but honestly they cost about the same, so if I were you I would just go ahead and go for the entire magazine because there are many other really sweet patterns in this particular edition. Okay, what are you going to need? Good question. Okay, you are going to need approximately 1,800 yards of your favorite number 5 bulky weight yarn. Okay, for the pattern in the magazine, I used King Cole Big Value Chunky Bulky. This is 100% acrylic yarn. For those of you in the UK, you may be very familiar with this. This might not be as readily available for many of you in the US, which is why I'm actually substituting Red Heart Comfort Chunky for the version that I'm going to be crocheting for the videos. You're also going to need a size L or 11 size crochet hook. I'll have the information right there so that you can see. I'm also going to recommend that you have a little tapestry needle and of course a pair of scissors. And that's all pretty much that you're going to need for this project. So if you want to go ahead and gather your materials together and come join me at the end of February, and we'll begin the Celtic Cross Cable Throw. God bless. Bye-bye.